Good evening time, everybody. Hope you are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. All right, guys, we got a 6-pill here, and it's one of my good customers. And I didn't build it. It's built by another builder. When my customer bought it, the builder told him he could run an ICOM into it wide open on AM or sideband, which is false. You can't do that with a 6-pill. About 20-25% is about it. And you guys still got about the decky rules on AM, so you know what, 150 mics on AM. And you got to, when you're on sideband, maybe even lower. Some of them other builders like to laugh at me for saying 25 watts per transistor or whatever. Well, I've run these things. I know how they'll stay running, and I try to recommend it where you protect your investment. I've seen some people out there say 100 watts per transistor. Yeah, I can do that on a dummy low for a minute, but not in everyday talking, no. Anyway, long story short, you cannot run an ICOM wide open in a 6-pill no matter how you do it. Alrighty, guys, we'll start looking at straight through SWR. Hello, worldwide, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're looking at 40 pp. 1, 2, 3, 4 to 99. In this box, I rebuilt it. I put electrolytics in it, new transistors in it, and added sideband bias to it. It does have automatic sideband in it, which I love that. I'm starting to do that, so you don't have a switch for the sideband, guys. Just keep things simple and easy. It's fast enough for AM too. All right, let's look at our input SWR. Keyed up 1, 2, 3, 4 radio drive. Hello, audio. That's killer watts for a 6-pill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 14.7, 14.8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 radio drive. We're going to go up here and put about 150 into it. I'm not going to worry about cutting the decky up because I got my 2-pill cut way back. Hello, worldwide. It would do more average if I put decky in it, but I'm not going to worry about it. Look at the decky. Uno, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on down. So, realistically, and it probably needs a little decky, but here, let's put a little bit in there. Starts about 142 decky. Hello, worldwide. See the average come up 1, 2, 3, 4. Worldwide. 6-pill, 14 points. It's going down to 7. Get on down. It's a good little box. All right, we're going to go over here. Well, let's look at the bird. I about forgot. On the bird, 1,000 watts up there to 10. Hello, worldwide. About 1,400 on the bird. Get on down. There's your 5-watt reverse. It's good to go. So it's a good little box. Doing really good. Get over here on the outdoor dummy low on the Colossal 10K. We'll just leave the driver on first key. Watch your LP. Hello, worldwide outdoor dummy load. Hello, worldwide outdoor dummy load. Outdoor dummy load. 1397 at 1.14 at 1.03. So she's good to go there. Turn the driver off. Radio drive. Hello, worldwide. 863 some change. 1.04 SWR. Worldwide. Get on down. Break. And I did check it on sideband. It's all fine. So, just want to make a quick video test review. Like I said, new transistors, electrolytics, biased, retuned. Just went all the way through it. Put a little donkey stomper touch on it. Didn't build it, but just did it like I wanted it. It's a good box. What a bad build to start with. But you can't run no ICOM wide open in a 6-pill. All right, guys. I appreciate you watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join some YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check out donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Bye-bye.